party. At some point, you need to have some sort of an elective conference, right? Are we in a rush? No, we're not in a rush. Why must we rush? You've seen what happened leading up to the elections. People were being bought. We don't want to have the same problems. That's why we need to take our time, ensure that we vet every single person that forms part of even a branch. Because that's where the problem starts. The branches are bought, and before you know it, they're then influenced to identify and nominate and appoint a president of their own. Whereas you'll find that that person themselves, has probably been influenced by outside individuals, of which you have seen. We've said certain rallies of ours were funded, we know, which are parallel rallies, by ANC people. So we don't want those tendencies of the ANC here. That's why we're going to take our time. We're not going to be put under pressure to actually set up structures and go to elective conference. Why? We don't have to at this point in time. What is important is to set up structures as an organization. We need to professionalize our organization. Remember, we're only 6-7 months old. But look at what we've done. So right now is to professionalize, stabilize the organization by setting up structures and then take it from there.